Did Amazon's AI just flunk its asterisk Fallout asterisk exam? It looks like it. Prime Video recently rolled out a cool new feature using AI to create video recaps for its shows. The idea was simple. AI analyzes the plot, grabs some clips, and gives you a quick summary before you start the next season. It was being tested on shows like asterisk Fallout asterisk, asterisk Jack Ryan asterisk, and asterisk The Boys asterisk. The problem: the AI got some major details wrong. In the asterisk Fallout asterisk recap, the AI narrator said the Ghouls' flashbacks were in the 1950s, but any fan knows the pre-war world in asterisk Fallout asterisk is the year 2077. It also oversimplified a key choice Lucy had to make. Viewers noticed these mistakes pretty fast, and now it looks like Amazon has quietly pulled the entire feature from all the shows in the test. It seems even advanced AI can't always replace a human fan. What do you think about using AI for recaps? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech news.